Is your engine acting like it's lost its sense of direction? A P0107 trouble code can quickly turn a smooth drive into a frustrating experience. Before you spend money replacing random parts, it's important to understand what this code really means and how to fix it correctly. Welcome back to Driven to Repair. In this guide, you'll learn what the P0107 code means, the symptoms to watch for, the most common causes, and the step-by-step process to fix it yourself. Common symptoms of a P0107 code. When this code appears, you may notice one or more of the following symptoms. Hesitation. During acceleration, you press the accelerator, but the vehicle responds slowly or feels sluggish. Rough idle, the engine may shake, vibrate, or idle unevenly while stopped. Engine stalling. The incorrect air-fuel mixture can cause the engine to stall, especially at low speeds or when coming to a stop. Reduced engine power, acceleration becomes weak, and the vehicle may feel underpowered. Poor fuel economy. The ECU may add extra fuel to compensate for the faulty reading. Increasing fuel consumption. Check engine light in most cases. The check engine light will remain illuminated until the problem is fixed. Common causes of a P0107 code. Before replacing the MAP sensor, check these common causes: dirty or contaminated, MAP sensor, faulty MAP sensor, cracked or leaking vacuum hoses, loose or corroded electrical connectors, damaged MAP sensor wiring, clogged air filter, low battery voltage intake, manifold air leaks, faulty. ECU rare. How to fix a P0107. Code Step 1. Locate the MAP sensor. The MAP sensor is usually mounted on the intake manifold near the throttle body, sometimes directly connected to a vacuum hose. Refer to your vehicle's service manual if needed. Step 2. Inspect the sensor. Remove the sensor carefully and check for dirt or oil contamination, physical damage, cracks in the housing, bent or damaged electrical pins. Step 3. Clean the sensor. If the sensor appears dirty but undamaged, use a dedicated electronic parts cleaner or MAF sensor cleaner. Spray the sensing element carefully. Allow it to dry completely before reinstalling. Avoid touching the sensing element directly. Step 4. Check the wiring and connector. Inspect the connector and wiring harness for corrosion, loose connections, frayed wires, broken insulation. Repair any damaged wiring before moving forward. Step 5. Inspect vacuum hoses. Look for cracks, splits, loose connections, collapsed hoses even. A small vacuum leak can trigger a P0107 code. Step 6. Check the O-ring seal when reinstalling the MAP sensor. Ensure the O-ring is clean. Replace it if damaged or flattened. Verify the sensor seats properly. A leaking O-ring can allow unmetered air into the intake system.